We have always been fascinated by the night sky and always wondered, what is out there? Since then, humanity has advanced in space exploration at a rapid pace. We now know that apart from the planets in our own solar system, there are billions of solar systems out there. Some discovered, others waiting to be found out. But scientists and astronomers are not just interested in the hot rocky planets and the gas giants. They are interested in the jackpot of all discoveries. They are the Earth-like planets. So far, hundreds of Earth-like planets have been confirmed using the Earth-bound telescopes and the spacecrafts like Kepler. A good way to see how similar a planet is to use the Earth Similarity Index or ESI. The ESI ranges from 0 to 1, and anything with an ESI above 0.8 may be considered Earth-like. Here are the top Earth-like planets discovered. Number 1. Kepler 62f. Kepler 62f is a super-Earth orbiting within the habitable zone of the star Kepler 62 with an ESI of 0.67. Much like our own solar system, Kepler 62 is a 5-planet system which is about 1200 light-years from Earth in the constellation of Lyra. Kepler 62f orbits its Sun every 267 days and is only 40% larger than Earth. A modeling study of Kepler 62f indicated that the planet is likely to be a water world, which could lead to life that is very different than our own. Number 2. Gliese 667cc. Gliese 667cc is a super-Earth exoplanet 22 light-years from Earth with an ESI of 0.85. The planet orbits around Gliese 667c, a red dwarf star, with a mass 31% to that of our Sun. The planet receives a similar amount of energy from its star as the Earth receives from its Sun. The mass of Gliese 667cc indicates that it could be a rocky world. Gliese 667cc orbits well inside its habitable zone of its host star. If the composition of its atmosphere is similar to Earth, it may well have surface temperatures of around 30 degrees Celsius. This would allow for the presence of liquid water, which makes Gliese 667cc an exciting prospect in terms of habitability. Number 3. Kepler 62e. Kepler 62e is a super-Earth exoplanet orbiting Kepler 62 star, just like the Kepler 62f that we covered before. With an ESI of 0.83, the planet is believed to be a water world and orbits in the habitable region of its star, or as it said, the Goldilocks zone. The planet is about 1.6 times the size of Earth and orbits its parent, a red dwarf star, about once every 122 days. With a similar mass and an atmosphere, Kepler 62e could have life as we know it. Number 4. Gliese 581g. Unofficially known as Zarmina's world. It is an unconfirmed and frequently disputed exoplanet claimed to orbit within the Gliese 581 system, only 28 light-years from Earth. The planet was believed to be within the habitable zone of its parent star, which is a red dwarf. This type of star is cooler than our own Sun. That means planets need to orbit closer to the star than in the solar system to maintain liquid water on their surface, and it is 3 to 4 times as massive as Earth. Researchers also know that the planet is tidally locked to its star. That means one side experiences eternal daylight and the other side experiences an unending darkness. Number 5. Kepler 438b. Discovered in January 2015 with an ESI of 0.88, it has the highest ESI of any exoplanet ever known. Discovered in 2015 around a red dwarf star, significantly smaller and cooler than our Sun, it has a radius only 12% larger than Earth's. This makes the odds about 70% likely that the planet may be rocky. Recently, the researchers have discovered that the parent star is very active, shooting superflares, being 10 times as more powerful than any on record made by our Sun This may have stripped the planet of its atmosphere. Number 6. TRAPPIST-1 system. This is one of the most remarkable exoplanet discoveries in the recent memory. TRAPPIST-1 is an ultra-cool star located about 40 light-years from Earth, within the constellation of Aquarius. The star is 12 times less massive than the Sun and only slightly larger than Jupiter. The initial discovery was made by the TRAPPIST telescope, the Transiting Planets and Planetesimal Small Telescope. It hosts at least 7 exoplanets, most likely rocky worlds the size of Earth or smaller. Of the 7 planets in the TRAPPIST-1, 3 lie within the habitable zone, the region around the star where liquid water could form on the planet's surface, making them excellent contenders for the evolution of life. So these are the top 6 candidates for the Earth-like planets that have been discovered. What are your thoughts? Write down in the comments below and let me know. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. For more videos, subscribe to this channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications for more videos coming up.